Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm assuming the reason why you clicked on this video today is because you are tired of uneven skin tone and discoloration. If this is you, why don't you stick around? If this is not you, that's okay. You have perfect skin and I admire you. You can click off and watch some of my other videos. But for my dark skinned girlies with pesky skin, this one's for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the most world-changing complete set that helps you target all things dark spots, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and more. Yes, I'm talking about the Samira Toning Set. First up, we have the Samira Toning Milk. This smooth, velvety lotion contains biotenma a powerhouse blend of lightning botanical extracts. It's designed to whiten your skin, even out your skin tone, and leave you feeling refreshed. Let's talk ingredients. We've got biotenma saffron, milk thistles, and more, all working together to give you that radiant glow. Plus, it has SPF 15 to protect your skin from the sun. Amazing, right? Next, we have the Samira Fade Cream. This cream is perfect for tackling dark spots, age spots, and uneven skin tone. Just apply it evenly on your face and neck and watch the magic happen. Then there's the Samira Toning Serum. This powerful serum penetrates deep into your skin cells to remove blemishes and whiten your skin. Use it on spots and blemishes after applying the lotion and cream for the best results. Finally, we have the Samira Dark Spot Corrector. This product is formulated to treat stubborn dark marks and age spots. It's excellent for knees, elbows, and knuckles. Apply it onto dark spots as needed. So if you are ready to step up your skincare game, give the Samira Toning Set a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare reviews and tips. If you've tried any of the products from the Samira Toning Set, share your experience in the comments below. See you in the next video. What I love about the Samira Toning Set is that it's a complete skincare routine in one package. Each product complements the others, tackling different skin issues from multiple angles. And the best part, it's full enough for daily use. Though if you have sensitive skin, you might want to introduce the product one at a time. So there you have it all. If you are tired of dealing with uneven skin tone and dark spots, give the Samira Toning Set a try. It's been a total game changer for me, and I hope it can be for you too. If this set doesn't work for you, come to my house and beat me up. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews. With the Samira Toning Set, you're not just buying skincare products, you are investing in your skin's future. Say goodbye to dark spots and uneven skin, and hello to a radiant, confident you. But remember, good skincare is a journey, not a race, and patience and consistency are your best friends.